everybody, this is Global Trade Live, and I have just launched this new expert advisor today by the name of AU79 Gold Ea Mt5 and Mt4. So this is for Mt5 and this is for Mt4 version over here, as you can see. So I'm gonna just make this video very quick so that people can just get the useful information out of this video. Okay, so I have divided the rent into three sections. Number one is you will have a lifetime license and $699. Second, for 1 month rent, if anybody wants to try and test the robot, then he can rent it for 1 month, so for $299. And for 3 months it's for $499. So the thing is basically if you get these prices are initial price of the robots of this robot, right? So the price will be only increasing after this. So because the thing is, I have to limit the use of this robot, because some people and because some brokers, they just don't like when many people earns profit together. So that's why. So and let me just show you some of the screenshots. So and also I have provided 4 kinds of set files with this robot. You can choose depending upon your need. Basically what the different set file do is, there is one set file by the name of highest profit, highest drawdown. We all know that with the increase in profits, drawdown eventually increases, right? So that's the correlation between the highest profit and highest drawdown set file. And you can backtest the robot by using the set files. Just do not use the robot without using the set files. Use the set files for settings of the robot, and also if you want to backtest the robot, then also you should use the set files. This is really important. Actually, this is the most important thing, that people just manually input the settings in the robot and they just get their accounts blown. So just take this as a warning or as an advice. Just use set files only for the settings. Also, I have mentioned over here in the screenshots to use set files only for settings. So just do not forget to use the set files. Okay, so you can just browse through these screenshots, and you can see how the robot performs with the specific set file. Like the second set file over here is high profit medium drawdown. Okay, so you can see the drawdown has increased to 10% from 16%, and vice versa. Again, for safe profit low drawdown, the drawdown has decreased to 8.47, and then the drawdown has decreased to 4.34% with the ultra low drawdown set file. Obviously the profits will be decreasing too, because so it depends upon the specific person, like how he or she wants to use the set files or the robot, right? So this is the important thing. And the second important thing is, I'm going to show you how you can load the set file into if you want to backtest the robot. Over here I have already loaded the AU79 Gold Ea Mt5 on the Mt5 tester. Guys, do not if you want to test this robot, backtest this robot, then just do not backtest it on MetaTrader 4, because it will give you false results. It might give you higher profits than the real account you will be seeing. So because Mt4 tester is not good for testing, because it does not provide you the specific spreads on that particular time this robot will be running in the history. So just if you want to backtest and want to know what are the real results in the real market, and what were the real scenarios in the market at that particular time, so basically if you want to see how this robot performs in real account, then just go for the Mt5 tester to backtest the robot. And over here I have loaded the robot. I have selected the symbol gold. I have switched to the M5 time frame. Just use this robot on M5, and I have selected the specific kind of amount of history, like from 1st March to till date, and delays 0 latency, ideal execution, forward should be no, modeling quality should be every tick based on real ticks. So this is very important. Do not choose any other option. Just select every tick based on real ticks. Okay, over here you can put the current amount of your account. Like I have, suppose, $1,000 account, so I have just mentioned 1,000 over here, and I will be showing you how this robot works. So I'm gonna just turn on this visual mod, and in the input section now we will be loading the set files. So but to load the set files we have to download one. I'm gonna go to the Mt5 version, and there, so you can find the set files in the important links section, and over here I'm gonna just download the set files. So it will take me to this mediafire.com where the set files where you will get the set files, and then I will just click on download, and set files will be downloading. Over here I'm gonna just select the start download, and it just downloaded over here. Now I'm gonna open the folder, so I'm gonna extract the set files over here. Okay, so the set files has been extracted. Now you will get these 4 options: highest profit, highest drawdown, highest profit, medium drawdown, safe profit, low drawdown, ultra safe profit, ultra low drawdown, right? So let's say I personally like safe profits and low drawdown. Okay, but for the sake of to show you how this robot performs, I'm gonna select high profit, medium drawdown. Okay, so let's get to it. Now I'm gonna load the set file, so I'm gonna right click, load. I'm gonna go to downloads, compressed, over here. I'm gonna select high profit, medium drawdown. See, the settings has been changed. Now you don't have to touch anything, you just have to click on start. So this will be a high speed simulation. I'm gonna just increase the speed over here so that you can see how the robot works. So like it just took some trade over here, as you can see, $6 profit. So the lot size it's taking, let me just, okay, so the lot size it's taking is 0.02 on a $1,000 account, and it just made around $7.52 of profit. So let me just play again and let's see how this goes. So basically what this robot does is, what the strategy of this robot is, basically it is a scalping robot which is really highly accurate robot, and it's a profit percent hit ratio is above 75 to 80%, and which is a really high accuracy of this robot. So how this robot is different from others? Basically it does not use any stop loss. Instead of using stop loss, it uses a recovery mechanism which activates very rarely, because most of the times it just hits the trade into profits. So even though in the losing scenarios it will be giving you only profits. So no matter how the market is, what the market is doing, this robot takes the trade in the low volume timings when the volume is really low. That's the main strategy, and behind that strategy there is another thing. It just do its own work, like scalping. It will be doing scalping only, and if in any case or any rare scenario case, if the market goes opposite, like the market is going opposite over here right now, so but it just booked the profit in that trade. So in case the market goes opposite, it just starts its recovery mechanism and closes those trades into profit only. So as we can see over here, let me just show you the graph of the robot. So look over here, it's just going up and up and up. So the exact same trading, the exact same amount of trades, and the price, everything, this Mt5 tester is showing us the real account results. Remember, in anybody's real account, these are the trades were taken in reality, right? So this is not the fake results. That's why I have told in the start to everyone that just start to use the MT5 tester only. It will show you the real results. So now I'm gonna just fast forward this video a little bit so that we can just go ahead and see how the robot performed basically. So the testing has been done now. Let's just check out the results. So this is a pretty good growth graph over here, like $1,000 account and made around $575, so more than 50%. And let's just check out these backtest results. So as you can see over here, the profit factor has been 3.83, and let's look at the most important thing of drawdown. So the balance drawdown was 3.72%, and the equity drawdown relative is 10.47%, which is a pretty low drawdown. If we talk about the medium drawdown, this is a very low drawdown over here. And average consecutive wins were 36, and consecutive losses were 1. So that means this is a pretty nice results over here from the past few months. And if we see the profitable graph or the profits per month, then you can see all the months have been profitable. So no matter what happens, no matter this is not a random trade taking robot. This is a extremely complex robot which has been built on the basis of a very complex method of trading, and those methods we cannot process them personally. Like if a human wants to process that kind of knowledge or that kind of data, we really cannot do that. So that's why I have implemented all those things into this robot, and on our behalf it just does everything. So this was the short video about this EA. I hope you will like it, and I hope you will make a lot of money with my robot over here. So cheers everyone, take care.